Morton Jones offers top-quality commercial fencing and groundworks by expert engineers. We have over 35 years of experience in the industry. Through tender, we directly supply to nationally known utility companies, local councils, businesses and the general public. Our groundwork services include site excavations, drainage works, concrete paths and drives, and site clearances. We offer our services for established as well as new sites. Whether you need excavation and drainage work undertaking on a building site or for your industrial unit, we have the right equipment and expertise to help you. We install a range of fences, including metal palisade and railing fences, timber fencing and gates, as well as installing fencing for industrial sites, commercial premises, local authorities, schools and colleges. We supply domestic fencing to the general public. We use top quality materials to create fencing that discourage climbing and act as a highly effective deterrent to intruders. You can also depend on us for fence maintenance and repair services. Have a specialist requirement? That's not a problem. We can fabricate fencing to your specifications. We have a state-of-the-art facility built for a wide range of customized fabrication services. Our skilled engineers can design and fabricate bespoke security fencing, commercial fencing, industrial fencing, and a wide range of gates to suit. We also undertake a wide range of contract work for private, commercial customers, local authorities, and utility companies. Our talented team of welders and fabricators can create fencing, gates and posts to suit your needs. So, for more information, get in touch with our friendly team today.